Do you want to 2x your car sales? Do you want to get more customers to your dealership? Do you want to get people buying easier? Well, I have one simple hack that I'm going to tell you in this video that's going to do it. Hi, my name is Chad. Welcome to my channel, Better Vids. This is a hack that has only been happening in the last, I would say, 6 months, because the AI out right now is incredible. And I've discovered a way to take boring still photos, which so many car dealerships have on their website. And don't get me wrong, because pictures are great. But if you want to create dynamic, moving music videos that draw buyers in, well, that's a different story. So I want to show you what I've come up with in the last few months. I take boring still photos like this, and I turn them into dynamic music videos like this.
If I'm being honest, loving you the hardest thing to do, so I keep to myself. I feel like I'm falling in and out of consciousness, yeah. Now we starting to talk, let's killing all the progress. Really hard to process, you treat me like an object.
Around now, I just want friends. I wanna turn around, dance. I just want friends. I wanna around now. I just wanna have fun. Turn around.
Incredible, right? Those videos were made from just still photos. And I can do that for almost any vehicle, whether it's inside the showroom or outside the showroom. No need for me to show up. I just take your existing photos right off your website and I transform them into those dynamic, beautiful, amazing music videos. And I can customize them however you like. I can make them longer, shorter, change the music. But in general, they're about 20 to 25 seconds long. Now, if you want this for your dealership, all you got to do is reach out to me. My contact information is below, and I'll be glad to send you a few samples for free. And if you do want them, all you need to do is let me know which cars. I'll be glad to make them and send you an invoice after it's done. This is not a scam. My name is Chad. I am a videographer right here in Florida, and I make the videos myself. I haven't seen anyone else doing this. I think it's going to be a game changer and definitely increase your conversion rate. More people will be attracted to your listing, so that means more people coming into your dealership to buy your cars. This can be done with cars, SUVs, Jeeps, doesn't matter. So, what are you waiting for? Get at me, go in the description, and let me start making some videos for you today, because I love making them. The nicer the car, the better the video. All right, I'll see you soon.